Samsung's Xcover lineup has been a reliable go-to for those who need a smartphone that can take a beating, and the Galaxy Xcover 7 seems to follow in its sturdy footsteps. The phone boasts a robust build with a groovy design on both the frame and rear panel. Those raised corners? Not just for show. They're there to give you a better grip and some shock absorption, making sure your phone stays intact through whatever life throws at it. One cool feature is the user-removable rear panel. Fingers crossed, that should mean a removable battery, though details on its capacity and charging speed are still hanging in the air, like the latest plot twist in your favorite TV show. Turning our attention to the camera, there's a solo lens on the back, accompanied by a dual LED flash unit. And hey, if you've noticed the snazzy red accent on the camera ring, you've got a keen eye. It's a signature touch we've seen on previous Xcover models, and that same dash of red is splashed around the customizable Xcover key on the left side. You can set this key to do all sorts of things, from opening apps to barcode scanning, your phone, your rules. Meanwhile, the power and volume buttons are doing their thing on the right side. Now, when it comes to the display, details are a bit hush-hush. We don't know the size or resolution, but here's a speculation for you. Samsung might just throw in heightened touch sensitivity. Why? So you can use the screen even with wet hands or gloves on. Practical, right? And speaking of practicality, we're anticipating the Galaxy Xcover 7 to rock a MIL STD810H compliant build, complete with IP68 dust and water resistance. This baby might even survive a drop to concrete without breaking a sweat. Impressive, huh? This new addition to the Xcover family is set to follow the Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, but it's not necessarily a direct sequel. The model numbers hint at a potential link to the Galaxy Xcover 5 from 2021. No Pro in the name this time, which could mean a more budget-friendly option for all you savvy shoppers out there. Now, I know we're all dying to know the price, right? Well, it's not carved in stone yet, but considering the single back camera and the absence of Pro in the name, we might be looking at a wallet-friendly tag. Perhaps less than the $600 debut of the Xcover 6 Pro? Only time will tell. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the rugged realm of Samsung's Galaxy Xcover 7. Keep those eyes peeled for more details, and as soon as we get the scoop, you know we'll be back to spill the beans. Until then, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.